Hello everyone, this is Sharada and you're watching Duggani sisters. Today I'll be going to explain the problems related to the properties. So before starting it, if you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and click on bell icon to get the notification of my latest video. So let me start. So I'm going to take an example of Now this is the problem 5 into 725 into 20. Now this I'm going to solve by using a property. So first here 5 into 725 into 25. Now here you can see that there are three numbers in it and the operation used is multiplication. So now we are going to use, I'm going to consider these two. So this can be written as 725 into 5 into 20. Now this is nothing but commutative property. What is commutative property? Commutative property is nothing but A into B is equal to B into A. So by using commutative property, I have interchanged the numbers. Now I am going to consider these two, that is 725 into 5 into 20. Now here I have used associative property. Now by using this property, I can write this as 725 into 5 into 20 is 100. Now 725 into 100 is 72,500. Now let me explain once again. Now commutative property is nothing but A into B is equal to B into A. So by interchanging the numbers, the value is not going to change in multiplication. So this is commutative property. So I have interchanged the 725 into 5 as 5 into 725. In the same way, associative property A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Now this is a associative property. Now here you can see that there are three terms A, B, C, A, B, C, and here you can observe that here first initially I have taken B into C, I have multiplied this and multiplied then A. In the same way here first I have multiplied A into B into C. So this is associative property. To solve this I have used two properties, that is commutative property and associative property. By using these properties, the solution is 72,500. So let me explain one more example. So the next one is 25 into 1725 into 4. So the same property is used. So first I am taking 25 into 1725 into 4. You can either take these two or the first two. So this time let me take the last two. So now I am using commutative property and interchanging these two numbers, that is 25 into 4 into 1725. Initially whenever you see a problem, you should analyze by multiplying which two numbers we will be getting a 100 multiples of tens. So this is 25 into, now here you can see that 4 is this side and now I can consider, now here I have used commutative property. And here now I am using the associative property, that is I am taking the bracket, that is consideration of 25 into 4. So this is nothing but associative property. 25 into 4 is 100. 100 into 1725, that is nothing but 1,72,500. Now this commutative property, let me take by using addition, that is 25, wait, let me take an example of an addition, that is 75 plus 208 plus 25. Same process we can follow. First I am going to consider these two. So 75 plus 208 plus 25. So I am taking 208 plus 25 and I am using a commutative property and interchanging their places, that is 25 plus 208. So now I am using associative property, 75 plus 25 plus 208, that is nothing but 75 plus 25 is 100, 100 plus 208 is nothing but 308. Yes, so let me explain one more example. Now this is the next problem I am taking, that is 75 into 37 plus 75 into 63. Now in the earlier problem you might have seen there are only 3 terms, now 3 numbers, but here you can see that there are 2 operations involved and the number is 75 into 37 plus 75 into 63, that is 4 numbers here. So this is of the form A into B plus A into C. Why I have written A twice? Because this 75 is repeated. Now this is nothing but distributive property of multiplication over addition. So this is A into B plus C. Now this is distributive property. Now it is given in the form of LHS and now we have to derive to RHS. So the same thing to be followed, 75 is common, take 75 out into, and what is the number left here? It is 37 plus, and the operation is plus 63. So this is nothing but 75 into, now 37 plus 63 is 100. So 75 into 100 is 7,500. The same property can be also used by taking subtraction. So that is 1925 into 169 minus of 1925 into 69. Now this is a distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now here we are going to use distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So let me solve this. Now here you can see that what is the number which is repeating? It is 1925, here 1925 and 1925, and here you can see that it is 169 and 69. So let me substitute by using this distributive property. What is the common number? It is 1925 into, now this is of the form, I'll just write here, A into B minus of A into C is equal to A into B minus C. So this is a distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So into 169 minus of 69. Yes, so here 1925 into 169 minus 69 is 100. 1925 into 100. So when you multiply this, this is nothing but 1,92,500. So The solving becomes very easy when you use properties. So usage of properties will make you easy to solve. So hope you have understood. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.